Hi friends, as you know, we are doing Dream Places series, and today's in this series we are going to learn how to make these German houses or European houses. Friends, if you have observed these houses, you can see that these houses are like heart shape and they have slanted rooftops and there is a fence. And you know, German people, they are fond of beautiful flowers. So you can see, if you will visit Germany or any European country, you can see lots of flower outside of their houses, and the roof colors are, they like almost pink and dark purple color. Let's get started. Friend, this is my oil painting. I have used oil paints here, but today we are going to use poster paint. Some other day I will teach you how to use oil paints. For this activity we need one scale, we need pencil, one thick chart paper, a piece of A4 size thick chart paper. Friends, if we will observe this painting, you can see where is the horizon line. Horizon line, I told you, a line that divides your page. So here you can see the horizon line is here. So first of all we will draw this center line, then we will draw this big house, then the small house attached with this big house. Then down the horizon line we are going to draw this wall and this fence and this path. So we will draw the horizon line here, almost the center. I have placed my paper vertical because the painting is vertical, form. First of all, I am going to draw the basic structure or the lines of the paintings, and then I am going to give the detail. Friends, I have drawn the basic structure of this painting. Now I'm going to give the detail. Friends, our drawing is completed. Now we are going to use the color or paints. It's up to you. You can use crayons, pencil color, poster paints, or oil pastel or acrylic paints. I'm using poster paints. Friends, when you are painting, it's time taking and takes a lot of time and to give the finishing and the final touch. So I have done almost first coating of the paint, and again and again I'm going to give the details to enhance the beauty and the shadow. Okay. Friends, weather is here rainy, so I am enjoying the weather and also doing this painting. Friends, now our painting is completed. Now I'm going to put it to let it dry. I hope you like this. I hope you like today's activity. Please subscribe and like my channel for more exciting videos. See you later.